Hello to all my YouTube friends and creators. Welcome back to Creations of a Capricorn. If you're returning to my channel for another DIY, I would like to thank you for visiting and thank you to all my new subscribers. Let's get into this DIY. This was inspired by a picture that I originally saw, I believe either on Pinterest or in my Better Homes and Gardens subscription. I can't remember which, but when I saw it, I thought it was absolutely beautiful, and I said, oh my gosh, I need to recreate this. I didn't recreate it for my current decor for this year. However, I did recreate it for you guys to give you some inspiration in case you want to try it within your decor. I'm going to try it in my decor for next year. I didn't have the correct size platform that I wanted to use for my window in my living room, so I'm going to try it next year, but I decided to recreate it on a smaller scale just to show you guys how it can be done. First, you're going to need some Dollar Tree, well, a Dollar Tree hula hoop, the largest one in the size 30-inch. And then you're going to need some of those cup hooks that Dollar Tree have in their hardware section. You're going to need the about 30 of the half-inch ones, and then you're going to need a large 1.5 or 2-inch cup hook as well. You're going to go ahead and get your hula hoop, and you're going to mark it 3.5 inches all the way around, because your cup hooks are going to go in each of those marked spaces. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to take the largest cup hook, the 2-inch size or the 1.5-inch size, and you're going to go ahead and install that in your ceiling for the place where you want to have this lighted decor piece in your home. Next, you're going to take your hula hoop that has all your hooks already in it, and you're going to take it and place it on the floor in your home where you're deciding to have this lighted decor piece. For this next part is really important because it determines how accurate and center your piece is. You're going to want to hang a measuring tape right in the center of the hula hoop to get a measurement of 13 inches all the way around. For this next part, you're going to take your copper wire fairy lights. I purchased mine from Amazon.com, and I will leave a link in the description box for the exact ones that I purchased, which were the 99 light strand copper lights. You're going to take those and you're going to unpackage them. And the items that come with that is an adapter that plugs into the wall, and also a white adapter that plugs into the wall piece and the piece on the actual fairy light. And this enables the remote control activity, which enables the blinking parts of the lights. It controls how fast the lights blink and also the brightness of the lights. So if you want just straight lights with no blinking or anything, just plug your lights into the black adapter piece on the strand and straight into the wall. You don't need that white piece, and you don't need it to be controlled by the remote control. Also, let me mention that you're going to need 2 packs of these 99 light strand copper fairy lights for this 30-inch hula hoop, which were fairly inexpensive when I purchased them. I think I may have paid $14.99 for each pack of the fairy lights, so I think that's a pretty good deal. So once we have everything unboxed, we're going to go ahead and get started stringing our lights around each hook of the hula hoop and also up to the ceiling. So you're going to take that strand of lights and you're going to get the end with the adapter on it, and you're going to go ahead and strand it around the first cup of the hula hoop, and then you're going to go right over to the second hook on the hula hoop, and you're going to strand that as well. And once you have those two stranded, sorry about the dog. Once you have those two stranded, you're going to go straight up to the ceiling hook, to your 2-inch cup hook, and you're going to go ahead and wrap the lights around that twice. And then you're going to go back down to the hula hoop, being sure that you're straightening the copper wire real taut and straight each time that you go up or down with your lights, because you want this to be really cohesive and straight, and you don't want to have any loose wiring once you finish your complete project. As you can see here, this is how it looks when it's not completely tight, and then I'm going to show you how it looks when it's pulled firmly. So here you go. So I'm going to go off camera and complete stringing up the lights. Okay, now here we go. This is what you're going to get once you have everything strung up, going from top to bottom, up and down on your ladder. It's a workout, but I think it's worth it in the end. This came out absolutely beautiful. Just keep remembering to pull your copper wire really tight, going from one cup hook up to the ceiling, then back down to the next cup hook in a cohesive fashion. And I think your DIY will turn out real beautiful. It gives us that resort look that you see in like hotels or in the mall, and you have that look in your home. Since we're in these COVID pandemic times, I think what better display to have in our home where we'd have the lighted display in our home rather than because we can't go out and get it like we normally would during a regular Christmas season is what I'm trying to say basically. So I'm showing you some different decorating ideas that you can do with this particular piece. Sorry again about the dog. I don't know what he's doing down there in that window, but he's barking at something in the window, and I'm sorry about that. So here are the different displays that you can get with the remote control that I talked about earlier. And also, like I was saying before, I stuck a few of my other decorations in the center, showing you that you can actually decorate this any way you can. If you want to use this as your real Christmas tree for your Christmas presents, that's an option. The sky is the limit with this particular decor piece. As I stated in the beginning, I didn't add this particular decor piece into my decoration this Christmas season, but I do plan on adding it for next Christmas. I just need to get a bigger size diameter than the 30 inches that the hula hoop allows. However, I am totally ecstatic that I was able to bring this to you for an option for your decor in this Christmas season. This concludes this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe, and go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.